Welcome. Today I am with XIAOMI Poco F3 and I will show you how we can customize always on display. You have to go for the settings, find display, always on display and lock screen. Then go for the always on display, enable this feature by tapping on this feature. And here we can, for example, pick the theme. So we can get the signature, dialog and analog, clock, kaleidoscope, digital as I said, and we can select the background. I think that I'm going to take this one. Here we can change this text color. I will go for this one. Here we can also enable notifications for battery and normal notifications. Click apply. And here we can also get display items. So the recommended is to get it 10 seconds after tapping, but I'm going to use it always. When we look at the screen, just take a look. There we got our always display. And that's how we can customize it. So if you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.